Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment below. The power of having a coach, transforming personal and business success. In the journey toward financial stability and entrepreneurial success, the significance of having a coach cannot be overstated. With their guidance, expertise, and accountability, coaches provide invaluable support in achieving both personal and professional goals. In this video, we will explore the importance of having a personal financial coach and then transition to the benefits of having a small business coach. So, let's delve into the world of coaching and discover how it can shape your path to prosperity. Part 1: The significance of a personal financial coach. As we navigate the complexities of personal finances, it's essential to have a trusted partner who can guide us toward financial freedom. A personal financial coach can offer a focus on individualized attention and personalized strategies along with accountability. Here are a few reasons why having a personal financial coach is crucial. 1. Goal clarity and planning. A personal financial coach helps you define your financial goals, develop a roadmap, and create a realistic plan to achieve them. By analyzing your current financial situation, they can provide valuable insights and strategies to optimize your budgeting, savings, and investment plans. Their aim is to provide empathy, support, and empowerment to keep you motivated throughout your financial journey. 2. Accountability and progress tracking. One of the most significant benefits of having a personal financial coach is the built-in accountability they provide. They keep you on track, ensuring you stick to your financial commitments and make consistent progress towards your goals. Through regular check-ins, they offer feedback and make necessary adjustments to keep you aligned with your objectives. 3. Financial education and empowerment. A personal financial coach acts as an educator, equipping you with the knowledge and skills needed to make informed financial decisions. They provide resources, tips, and techniques to improve your financial literacy and empower you to take control of your financial future. They can help you explore self-reflection, learning, and personal growth, which will lead to a better understanding of your relationship with money. Part 2: The importance of a small business coach. For aspiring entrepreneurs or existing business owners, having a small business coach can be a game changer. With a small business coach, the focus shifts to business strategies and growth. Let's explore the reasons why having a small business coach is essential. 1. Strategic planning and vision. A small business coach helps you develop a clear vision for your business and align your strategies with long-term goals. They provide a direction that emphasizes practicality, action, and results-driven approaches. By identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, they assist in formulating effective business plans that maximize profitability and sustainability. 2. Skill development and expertise. Running a small business requires a diverse skill set, from marketing and sales to finance and operations. A small business coach brings expertise in these areas and helps you develop the necessary skills to thrive. They offer guidance in areas such as team building, leadership, financial management, and customer acquisition, providing you with the tools to overcome challenges and achieve success. 3. Accountability and decision-making. Similar to a personal financial coach, a small business coach provides accountability, keeping you focused and committed to your business objectives. They challenge you to set ambitious yet attainable goals and hold you accountable for your progress. They should instill discipline, resilience, and the courage to help you make tough decisions when needed. Whether you're striving for personal financial stability or growing a small business, the importance of having a coach cannot be overstated. A personal financial coach offers individualized guidance, goal clarity, and financial empowerment. While a small business coach brings strategic planning, skill development, and accountability to your entrepreneurial journey. By leveraging their expertise and support, you'll experience transformative growth, turning your aspirations into realities. So, embrace the power of coaching, unlock your full potential, and pave the way to personal and professional success. For more information, and to talk to a coach today, visit www.yourfinancialcoaching.com.